We got to treat it as such.
Not far from this event, just hours earlier, there was also evidence of the strong animosity the president engenders here. At a small protest, one sign read, "I voted for the American." Another, "Obama's change destroyed our hope." That's a reference to the anger here over his environmental policies, which many West Virginians believe hurt the coal industry. They even blame Obama for making the state's drug problem worse. Here's 27-year-old coal miner Jordan Bridges.
Don't cut the legs out from underneath the industry. You can't lay people off and put them to the brink of not being able to provide for their family.
So for Obama in West Virginia, cheers at a community center and jeers from coal industry supporters. Don Gutnick, NPR News, Charleston.
Corey Jones was a drummer in his church band. The African-American man was 31 years old when he was killed by a police officer last weekend in South Florida. The sheriff's office and state attorney in Florida's Palm Beach County are investigating, and as NPR's Greg Allen reports, the case is starting to get national attention.
Early Sunday morning, Corey Jones was on his way home from a gig with a reggae band when his car broke down on I-95. Sometime later, Palm Beach Gardens officer Ahmed Raja stopped to investigate. Raja was in plainclothes, driving an unmarked vehicle. Palm Beach Gardens Police Chief Stephen Stepp says when he stopped, Raja thought the car was abandoned.
As the officer exited his vehicle, he was suddenly confronted by an armed subject. As a result of the confrontation, the officer discharged his firearm, resulting in the death of Mr. Corey Jones.
Stepp says police recovered a gun at the scene they believe belonged to Jones. There wasn't a dashboard camera on Raja's vehicle. Palm Beach Gardens doesn't use body cameras. After the shooting, Raja was placed on paid administrative leave, and the investigation turned over to the county sheriff's office. Jones's grandfather, Sylvester Banks, says he and other family members want answers from the police, beginning with Officer Raja.
I would plead to him to tell the truth. The truth's going to make you free.
Today, members of the Black Caucus in the Florida legislature call on Governor Rick Scott to launch an independent investigation of the shooting. Jones's family has hired attorney Benjamin Crump. On CNN today, Crump called on police to release more information on the circumstances that led up to Jones's fatal shooting.
He was in the median of that road at 3 a.m. waiting for the tow truck, just like he had got off the phone with his brother a few minutes ago, just waiting. There is no reason he should be dead.
A rally on behalf of Jones and his family is planned tomorrow in Palm Beach Gardens. Greg Allen, NPR News, Miami.